Good morning, children. I'm your English teacher, Josephine James. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, The Guardian of the Nation. Anand and Yalini are the two main characters in this chapter. Anand and Yalini came home from school, and after coming from the school, what you used to do, children? After coming, you used to wash your face, legs, hands, everything. In the same way, these two children also washed their hands, face, and they sat with their family. That is, they sat with the father and started to watch television. There were two bowls of chickpea chana. So they started to eat that. Even when we come from the school, what we used to do? We used to eat some snacks. If we eat some healthy snacks like peas or channa or lemon juice, something like that, if we take, means it is very good for our health also. So we should always take some healthy snacks. Now they ate and watched a ceremony where people were paying respect to a helmet on top of a gun. So immediately Anand was, what are they doing? Where is this place? He was asking to his dad. His dad replied that this place was Amar Jawan Jyoti. It is known as Amar Jawan Jyoti, a memorial for the soldiers who died for our country. Every year, 7th December is observed as Armed Forces Flag Day. On that day, we remember the sacrifices of our soldiers for who guards our country. So, his father explains about the sacrifices of our Indian soldiers, Indian army. Immediately, Yalini got up and proudly declared that she wants to join the army. When she grows up, she wants to join the army and serve our nation.
She proudly declared it.
So children, how many of you are interested in joining in military or paramilitary? Indian Armed Force or Indian Navy? See children, nowadays many women are joining in all the forces like military, paramilitary, police department. So everybody should feel proud to join in this department and serve our country. Now Anand said that he wants to become a doctor and treat the people. Immediately Yalini asked, why don't you join the army and serve the nation? Her father immediately interrupted in the conversation and started to tell a story about Dr. Carmugilan, who was young and talent. He went to the USA for his studies. His parents were very proud of him and they thought that he will be living in America and continue his practice in USA itself. But to everyone's surprise, he came back to India and started treating poor people free of cost. Yalini immediately asked, were his parents not angry with him? Then his daddy replied, they were angry, but what to do?
Their son's
Happiness is very important. So always parents used to think of their children. Even your parents are loving you too much and they live for you. They want to satisfy your needs and they want always you to be happy. So in the same way, Carmugilan's parents knew that he was happy. One day, dengue broke out in the nearby villages. So Carmugilan left to those villages to treat the people. So he saved the lives of many people. He was so well known in the village and people, and they poured into get treated. So many people were cured. But one day, unfortunately, doctor also got infected by the disease and he was taken to the city hospital. He was in critical condition. His parents were upset and was worried. He told his parents that he had done his duty to the country and was happy. But in a couple of days, he died. Carmugilan left the world. Now, in his memory, the people of the village have built a hospital and treated people at free of
cost.
That's really great, Dad. He's a real hero, said Yalini. Then her father advised that each one of us should love and respect our country. We should treat everyone around us with love and respect. That's the real service to the nation. So I think, children, you understood the story. We will meet in the next session. Thank you, children.